welcome.
How are you?
Oh my God! Oh my God! It's so, I've been waiting to meet you in the flesh.
Okay.
Yes, I'm your biggest fan. Your number one fan. Okay. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm seeing you. I'm missing you. Oh my goodness. I've watched you.
Okay.
Where's the photographer? Can you take a picture of you? Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh, okay. Can I just take a selfie on my phone? Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, calm down.
Okay. I'm trying so much. Yeah! I met him in person! Oh my god! Okay, number one fan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you, yeah? Oh. Hey.
Hey, sexy. Do you know you're the Nollywood finest? I've been crushing on you like forever.
Really?
Yes, I've been yearning for your touch.
I like the sound of that. What the hell? I have to go.
Oh, no, please don't.
Everyone is waiting. I really have to go.
Just tell them you're stressed. They should do something else. You want to rest. Something, anything.
We'll do this some other time, okay?
Oh. You asked yourself that rhetorical question. What has come over you, for God's sake? Baby, I'm sorry, nothing has come over me. It was a mistake. You call this a mistake? Ross, this has been happening repeatedly in my house and you call it a mistake? Let me warn you. The day you burn down my house, I will make sure you sleep in jail. Are you okay? What is wrong with you? Why are you always nagging? Why are you making a mountain out of a molehill? You do not have a single sense of humor. I think I have to send you back to school to learn how to treat a woman. You are just boring. You are flat. You're not romantic like every other man. God's sake. God damn it. Rose, you almost burnt my house. So the only thing you have to tell me as a defense is that I should go and be romantic. Is that what you're telling me? You should be sorry for your act. A reasonable woman will not do this. Sorry for what? I'm just trying to talk sense into your skull. You are very romantic. Excuse me. What's going on? Maybe I did it wrong. Oh my world. This guy is something else. Look at his body physique. Look at his cute face. Look at his smiles. So ravishing. This is every woman's dream. This is exactly what I want in a man. Wow. This is a guy with too much vibes.
Welcome. Yeah. Matthew. How are you?
Boy, they fine. No.
Yeah, I can see you're fine.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, you look very, very sharp.
Thank you, Matthew.
Thank you. Hey.
Gosh, this guy is cute. So lovely and romantic. Crushing for you, boy. You are too good.
Abigail! I got you something very, very special. Abigail! Daddy got your favorite. Sunshine. 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 Nobody at home? Abigail! I got your favorite. Where are you? Sunshine. Sunshine. Sunshine.
Oh, baby, you're back already.
Why the deafening silence in this house? Where's my daughter Abigail?
She's in school, of course.
School? By this time of the day?
Oh my goodness! I forgot. I forgot.
Can you listen to yourself? What in God's name is wrong with you? I mean, what were you thinking? Just pray nothing happens to my daughter.
I'll go and pick her up now.
If you like, you can imagine. What insolence! By this time of the day, you've not gone to pick my daughter? Doing what at home? Woe betide you, anything happens to my daughter. You sit the other side of me. Around nonsense. You can imagine. I even came in and wasn't calling you. She didn't even know. Is it because I call you Sunshine? I think I'll stop calling you that name and begin to call you Rosaline. Because that is your name. Listen, do not take my gentility for weakness. I am not a weakling. Rubbish. Let anything happen to my daughter first. Then you.
Come here. Come here. Aye. The next time you waste my time, I will have you fired.
Okay, madam, no vex. Belle be dey turn me. I say make I enter inside, go on flute.
My friend, don't waste my time. Open the gate.
Okay, no vex.
Let me carry on to house now.
To where?
To house.
Which house?
I know them parents now.
You know their parents?
Yeah.
Who asked you to come and pick her?
Now them tell me I carry them.
Who? The mom or the dad?
All of them, both of them are
Call
not
the
them.
person on phone.
No, you let me come carry them.
Okay, I will not allow you to take this child. Call the person
Why
that
now?
asked you to come and pick her on phone.
No, sorry man, let me carry
Don't
them.
touch this child though.
Hey.
Madam, what happened? What took you so long?
Cute. I had a little delay.
See, this will take him and almost kidnap this child.
Kidnap?
Yes, if not that I refused that he will not carry her, he would have taken her away.
Are you okay? Are you fine? He didn't touch you, right? Goodness. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
You have to be careful out there.
It's fine. Thank you so much.
Hey, Abigail. Oh, baby. How are you?
I'm fine, Daddy.
How was school today?
It was fine, but something happened.
Excuse me, something like what?
Uncle John came to kidnap me.
Daddy bought you something, your favorite, okay? So you go to your room, because you know why I kept it in your room. So go to your room and enjoy yourself.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy.
Oh, and Daddy loves you too. Give me the other side. Yeah. All right, enjoy yourself, okay? Did you hear her? Did you hear her? What was she saying? I want you to tell me. What was she saying?
She's a child. She doesn't even know what she was saying.
You're sick in the brain. Roslyn, you are sick in the brain. I heard her say John came to kidnap her. You know John very well. You know John is a notorious person. And you allowed him to come kidnap my child because of your insolence? What, for God's sake, tell me, what would you be doing? What would the responsible woman be doing that will prevent her from going to pick her child on time in school? Tell me!
Baby, I'm sorry. It was an honest mistake.
My, oh my. You call that an honest mistake? No, tell me, if something had happened to my child, is this what you'll be telling me? An honest mistake? You need to redress your system. Because from what you're doing, you get yourself into trouble. And bet you me, I will not tolerate it. I will make sure I deal with you if anything happens to my daughter. Nonsense!
I'm sorry, it was just a tiny...
Sorry for yourself! What's going on? What's going on?
Yeah. So how did it go? Good, good. So what you do is send the report, then put the line manager in copy. It's all good. Thank you. Oh.
Hello, sir.
Cindy.
Sir, I'm fine, sir. I came to tell you that I've spoken with the manager of UG Group of Company, and he gave me his word that he will be here tomorrow for the business proposal.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please, can I talk to you?
Oh, all right, sit down.
Sorry to ask, sir. I've been observing you lately. You don't look happy. You look sad and worried. It's written all over you. What is the problem?
Cindy,
Sir.
I truly appreciate your concern. I do appreciate your concern so much.
Thank you, sir.
But you see, there is nothing wrong with me. You see, sometimes there is this feeling of melancholy I have in the morning when I wake up. So whenever you see me in a sad mood, just know it is the case.
Okay, sir. I was worried. I said, let me know what is wrong with my boss.
Wow. That was Nobel, if you ask me. I mean, thanks for your concern.
You're welcome, sir. I leave now.
My key. Where did I drop my key? Cindy.
Sir.
Please, can you help get my key from my office?
I have it.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, I forgot my phone on the desk. Help me get it, please.
I also have it. Here.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
I gotta come, oh.
Matthew. How are you?
Daddy, fine, oh.
How about madam?
Madam, dey inside.
Her car is not here.
She no carry car come back, oh.
She no carry car come back.
She no carry car. She just come now. She dey inside house.
It's all right. You can go back.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sunshine, you're back. I didn't see your car outside. Sunshine? I said I didn't see your car outside. So how did you come? Where's your car?
They have stolen it.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
I don't know. I think I dropped the key or I locked it inside the car. I don't know.
Sunshine. You don't know you left, you dropped. You're not making sense. Are you talking about a car I bought with my hard-earned money like that? That's been stolen? I don't understand.
Why do you like shouting? Why are you shouting? I have always told you are not romantic. You're too meticulous for my liking.
Are you okay?
Why did you stop? Hit me! Hit me!
By the time I go up there and calm down, I expect to hear a different story that'll be pleasant to my ears.
Just look at you, you're too wicked. You're very wicked. I just told you my car was stolen. Instead of you to show me love and care, you are here barking like a dog. You are evil. You are very wicked. No sense. You will not just be romantic, even if it's just once. Very wicked man, evil. Rubbish.
Hello, nurse. Very well, very well. You see, nurse, the last time I checked, husband and wife are supposed to be one body, soul, and spirit, and not the other way around. Yeah, I say so because of what's been happening, with my wife. I no longer understand my wife anymore. A lot has been happening. I'm telling you, you won't believe the other day she came back. She left the house with her car, but she came back without the car. You won't believe it. I asked her what happened, and you needed to hear what she was telling me, the cock and bull story she was cooking up. She was not even certain where she kept the key. That she left it in the car. The key fell, and the story was just, mumbo jumbo, not direct. It's getting me crazy. The other day, she was supposed to go and pick my daughter from school. What happened? She said she forgot. But for my gate man who called me to inform me, my daughter would have been kidnapped. Or who knows? She even said our former cabman came to pick her from the school, whereas he was not even authorized to do so. Can you imagine that? My wife is becoming so lackadaisical. I'm telling you. I don't know what's going on. This is not the woman I married. She's completely out of her senses. I don't know what's occupying her. Yeah, I've tried finding out, and you know I'm a busy man, so I only have a few times in the house to look and, to really study and know exactly what the problem is. But I can't really pitch dent with anything. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I'll handle everything. All right. I hope you're good. Thank you. All right. Bye.
Just too cute. Gosh.
Sunshine. What are you still doing here? Let's go to bed.
I'll join you soon. Let me just finish watching this film.
It's okay. Sunshine, is my food ready? Can I have my breakfast?
I'm so tired, I can't make breakfast for you.
Beg your pardon? You're so tired you cannot make breakfast, so I'll go to work without breakfast? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
That's the problem you have. You cannot just understand someone. I just told you I'm tired and I can't fix your breakfast. Instead of you to be caring enough to know why I am tired, you are asking me questions. Why can't you just try and be romantic for once? Try and free yourself. Be romantic, be sweet.
So, this is all I get for asking for breakfast?
Please, when you get to the office, find something to eat at break.
Beautiful morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Sandy. How was the night?
Great. And yours?
Very well, very well. And what's this for?
Oh, your breakfast.
My breakfast? Who asked you to prepare me breakfast?
Nobody asked me. My instinct told me to do so, and I'll be glad if you accept it.
Your instinct asked you to prepare me breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Thoughtful of you. Thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Yes.
I leave now.
It's okay. It's okay. This girl is beginning to creep in my skin. As if she knew I didn't have breakfast today. Oh.
Oh, stop.
Stop what now?
Oh, stop. Stop, I'm not in the mood, please.
I don't understand what you say when you say you're not in the mood. I'm in the mood. I want you. But I'm in the mood. You're my wife.
No. What's the time? 12. I need to go downstairs and watch this program. I must not miss this program.
Really? So you prefer that so-called TV program than our joy and happiness?
You understand. I don't want to miss any episode in this program. Please, I need to watch it.
Are you okay? Come back here. I'm talking to you. You're my wife. I need you.
It's already 12.
So?
I need to watch this program.
Sunshine.
Excuse me.
Sunshine. Cindy, is everything all right with you?
Yes, everything is fine. I just came to spend some quality time with you.
Quality time with me. Can you elucidate, please?
Sir, can't you see the handwriting on the wall? I've been lusting over you badly. I barely have good night rest, all because of you.
Cindy.
Sir.
Cindy, you're a very beautiful woman with a heart of gold.
Thank you.
The kind of woman every man wants to have as a wife. You see, I truly appreciate your person, your diligence to duty and everything.
Thank you, sir.
But you see, I'm a married man, happily married. I love my wife so much, I wouldn't want to cheat on her. I don't want to commit infidelity. So please, just get hold of yourself, okay? I understand. I am sorry. I'm sorry, please.
Sir, I've been noticing she has been frequenting herself here in your office. Are you two in a relationship now?
What sagacity!
You won't choose her over me.
You sick in the brain? Are you sick in the brain?
I'm sorry, sir.
How dare you barge into my office and begin to talk nonsense?
I'm sorry, sir.
This should be the very last time you dare this. Use the door.
I'm sorry, sir.
What sagacity? Imagine!
He's not meant for you. He's mine. So you will stop throwing yourself at him, you gold digger. How dare you! Isn't it obvious? Going after a married man that is not yours. Didn't you, or what do they call them? Are you mad? Are you crazy? There you knock this man down. Stop! Stop! Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
You turned my office into a wrestling ground? Are you sick in the brain? I will make sure I charge the two of you for dereliction of duty. Nonsense!
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
No respect at all?
Sorry,
You don't have anything to do?
Please, sir.
Rather than to fight?
Please, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
I must treat the two of you weary.
Sir, I'm sorry. Sam, you see your fault. You see your fault. Stay away from him. He is mine. He can never be mine. He can never be yours. Stay away from him. Sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, dear. How may I help you?
Please, am I speaking with Maurice Sam?
How did you get my number?
I got it from the movie I watched this afternoon.
What's the name of the movie?
How to Love a Woman.
Okay, I'm the movie producer, but I don't have his number.
Okay, thank you, sir. Please, how do I get his number?
You can call his manager.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, let me search him on Facebook. Might be lucky to find him. found him. Okay, let me chat him up. I might just get a reply. Yes. No, he replied. Okay. He responded. Hello?
Hi.
Please, am I speaking with Chididike?
How is your day going?
Oh my goodness, it's a lie. I'm a big fan. I watch all your movies. As long as you're in any film, I will be the first person to watch it. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm talking with you. It's a lie. Are you sure I'm speaking with the real Chididike?
You are speaking
Oh, you are
with the
the
right
best.
person.
You are the God. I don't know. I can't contain my joy right now. I don't believe I'm speaking with you. Oh my goodness, I can't breathe. It's a lie. Oh God. Oh, okay. Mr. Handsome. I'm sorry. I was just carried away. I can't believe I'm speaking with you. I'm sorry again. I'm sorry. Mr. Handsome. Okay, calm down. My name is Rose. Rose. I'm one of your VIP fans.
All right, you are talking to the right person. And I have nothing more to say than to say welcome.
Thank you. Please, I want to ask you for a very tiny favor.
Feel free.
Okay, please, can we talk on video call? I want to see that face I always see in movies. I want to see it as in one-on-one is one of the qualities I fell in love with. Please don't say no, please.
No. Sorry. I'm busy on set right now and I can't talk now. Maybe we do that later.
Okay, it's fine. Speaking with the right person and hearing your voice is okay for now. I'll be looking forward to talking with you, face to face on camera. Let me allow you do your thing. Let me not disturb you. Let me not disturb you too much. I'm just so happy I can't contain my joy. Let me allow you do your thing.
Zero.
Thank you. Thank you for sparing your time. Oh God, thank you. I don't know I'm misbehaving. Just forgive me. Thank you. It's good speaking with you again. Take care of yourself. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Talk to you later.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God.
Sunshine. What's eating you up? I mean, your face is looking moody.
Babe, I just got a call that my mother just suffered from heart attack. And the worst part is these doctors will not start treating her except I deposit some money. Can you imagine?
Heart attack? How? So, what is the hospital asking you to deposit?
They say we should deposit 250,000 naira before they start any kind of treatment. Can you imagine this, our doctors?
250,000. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll sort it out.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay, babe, can you do it like now? Now. Please, my mommy's health is at stake. Please. I don't want to lose that woman, please.
It's okay. It's all right. So, Can you send me the hospital's account details so I can make the transfer?
Huh?
I said, can you send me the hospital's account details so I can make the transfer?
Babe, just send me the money, okay? Send me the money. It will be faster. I need to send it to my sister. She knows what to do. She's the one that will take care of everything there. Just send it to me.
It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. She'll be fine, eh? She'll be fine.
My mother.
What's wrong with this network? Okay. Okay. I've sent it. Check your account. Don't worry, just calm down, okay?
Okay.
Mama will
okay,
be fine.
okay,
Nothing will happen to her. Just make sure you tell the doctors to expedite the treatment, huh?
Yes, I just got the alert now. I just got it. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Okay, babe.
It's okay. Just go now, do the payments, and let the treatment start in earnest.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much.
Smile on your face.
Yes, thank you. Let me quickly check what I put on the fire. Thank you so much, Auntie.
It's okay. Troubles everywhere.
Hello? Hello, sexy.
Yeah, hello.
Have you seen the money? I have sent it. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I've seen it. Thank you very much.
Don't mention. You don't have to thank me. I just want you to be okay. Sexy. When when are we going to see? I want us to hang out and have quality time together, you know?
Tomorrow, yes. Let's hang out tomorrow. I will tell you where.
Okay. Tomorrow is fine. I'll be expecting your call. Okay, thank you. Hello, babe. How are you? Please, can you do me a favor? Please, can you borrow me 100,000 naira? I will pay you back. Oh, please, I said I will pay you back. Yes, now. Send it immediately, please. I promise I'll pay you back now. Stop. Just send this money to me. I need it like now. Okay, I'm waiting. Aha. I received it. Let me send to him immediately.
Hello, dear.
Hello, Mr. Handsome.
Yeah, how are you doing? How far? Have you done it?
Yes, I just did it now. Check.
Oh, wow. This is
Yes.
lovely. Thank you so much.
No, don't mention.
I appreciate it.
It's
Just
fine.
wait for me. I will be there in an hour. I will be there right away.
Okay, no problem. I'll be waiting for you.
Let me just take this now. I'm coming there. Just wait for me. I'm coming, right?
Okay, see you soon.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye. Rubbish. What rubbish is this now? What rubbish is this? Just keep somebody waiting. It's not nice now. If you will not come, say you will not come. Hello, what is it now? You kept me here waiting. I've been here for more than 2 hours. You told me you would be here in the next 1 hour. Just look at the way you left me standing. People were just looking at me as if I don't know what I'm doing.
Hello, who is this?
What kind of question is this? This is Rose now. Mr. Chidi, I don't like this thing. Please, can you give this phone to the owner, Mr. Chidi DK?
Which Rose?
I said I am Rose that I've been waiting for you at the garden.
Now you want to speak to who?
Please, can you just give this phone to the owner? I'm already pissed off. Give the phone to the owner, Mr. Chidi DK.
Chidi DK?
What kind of rubbish is this now? Hello, is this your phone?
It is my phone. You're saying Chidi DK. This is the wrong number. I don't know who is Chidi DK now. Who is Chidi DK?
What is the meaning of this?
Get out of my phone. Get out. Go and see actor. Do actor. Come on, get out of this place. Get out of my phone.
You are joking, right? Chidi DK, the actor.
Mugu, which actor? Come on from my phone. You want to see actor? As old as you are, patient of days. Get out.
This is not Chidi DK, the Nollywood superstar.
Madam, they don't chop you. We don't chop you. We don't chop you. Thank you for the money. Thank you for that money. The money is rich, sir. I better come on here. You want to see actor? Get out.
My God. I've been scammed. No! How did I fall for this? No! How could I? Oh, I've been scammed. Shit.
Sunshine, how are you? Sunshine. No. This is not your usual face. Sunshine, I just came back from work now, greeted you, and you answered me so casual. This is not you. This is not you. Come on, what's going on? What's eating you up?
It's my mother.
Your mother? What about your mother?
The doctor said she's not responding to treatment. I pray nothing happens to her.
Come on, Sunshine. That the doctor said your mom is not responding to treatment is not enough for you to look hopeless. It is not a hopeless situation. The doctors have said their own. Yeah, she's not responding to treatment, but that doesn't mean she's going to die. Come on.
I just hope and pray she gets well.
It's okay. Can I talk to her on the phone to know how she's faring?
No, you can't talk to her. They did not even allow me to speak with her. The doctor said she needs enough rest and sleep.
It's okay. It's okay. I just wanted to hear from her, know exactly how she's recuperating.
You did well by wanting to speak with her. But the last time I spoke with her, she really appreciated all you've been doing for her.
Oh.
Yes, the love, the caring, everything. Maybe by tomorrow we can speak with her.
It's okay. It's okay. What would a man do? What would a man do? You know, I need to take care of my in-laws. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do as an in-law. That's all. So, can you? Okay, let me go upstairs and shower. Clean up. Please do, right? Please do. smile on my face. I call the sunshine for a reason.
Hello, babe. I'm so angry right now. I've just been duped. Yes. The Nollywood star I told you about. He just duped me 200,000 naira. Yes, him, you know now. Just told you I just got duped. You're telling me to concentrate on a boring man. My husband is just too dry. He's so boring. He's not romantic. Can't you see how other men are? Very sweet, very, very romantic. Okay, don't you see the celebrities in their movies? How sweet and romantic they are. I'm talking of the likes of Morisam, Element, Chidi DK. You don't feel their vibes? I want men like that now. I don't want some dry man that will be living in the house with. Seriously, my mom's health is really disturbing us. Yes. I just pray that woman gets well. She's really stressing me and my husband. In fact, it was my husband that gave me the money I deposited before they started treating her. Julie, let me attend to my husband. He just walked in. I'll talk to you later, okay? You're done taking shower?
Yeah, I'm done. I was coming to check for you in the kitchen to know whether food is ready before I got distracted by your conversation.
Huh? Conversation? What conversation?
Never mind. Sorry, is the food ready?
I'll just go in and fix it.
Please do, I'm famished.
Sure, I will.
Excuse me. I'll be upstairs. Don't let me know.
Okay. I hope he didn't hear my original conversation with Julie.
I will break our gate, huh? I will destroy our gate first.
I'm sorry for that. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What will you find for here?
My name is Mr. Ruben. I'm a filmmaker.
Mr. Ruben, you be filmmaker?
Yeah.
Yeah, no look like studio where they produce a film. So, what do you come find for here?
Please, can I see the landlord of this house?
Landlord, no, the other can't go.
Are you being serious?
They go now, landlord.
Let me see your madam or your
madam. No, nobody there. They go, madam. Madam. In this, he say his name na Ruben, production manager. He say in the fine oga. I tell her say here no be studio they take out.
Let me see him.
Okay. No, that's fine. Madam, say you sorry.
Sorry for his behavior. Okay. How may we help you?
My name is Mr. Ruben. I'm a filmmaker.
Okay, so how can I help you?
Please, I want to use this beautiful mansion of yours for a movie shoot.
Use my house for a movie shoot?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it's not going to be possible.
Why, if I may ask?
My husband will not allow it. Besides, we have a young daughter and we don't want her to be corrupted.
No, ma, you don't have to worry about that. We will mind our business.
No, my husband will not allow it.
Excuse me, ma. It will interest you to meet the celebrities in this movie that I want to shoot.
Celebrities?
Yes, ma'am.
Which celebrities are we talking about?
We have King Spore, we have Mr. Element, and other...
Say no more! Did you say Mr. Element?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure or are you just trying to pull my legs?
No, I'm not pulling your legs. Mr. Element is my major artist in the film.
I don't believe you. I strongly believe you're pulling my legs. Okay, prove it. Call him. Call him on video call. I want to talk with him.
Okay. It's ringing. Yeah, Mr. Element, good afternoon. Please, I'm here with one of your VIP fans. She wants to speak with you.
Hello, Mr. Element.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. My name is Rose. I am your biggest fan. Yes, nice speaking with you. Yes, it's true. Good to speak with you in person. Yes. Mr. Element, he said you'll be coming to my house to film. Yes. Okay, you're welcome. Anytime. Come anytime. Even if you want to use the house today. Yes, come, you're welcome. Yes, it's true. Oh my goodness.
Okay, Mr. Element, that will be all for today. Thank you.
You know what?
Yes,
just give Matthew your number.
Okay.
I'll talk to my husband. Forget what I said about him not allowing you to film. Forget about what I said about corrupting my daughter. Nobody will corrupt my daughter.
No problem.
I will lock her upstairs. Okay, I'll lock her upstairs. Even if you want to come and film today, come.
Okay.
My husband will allow you.
Okay.
Don't worry, my husband will allow you. Let me just go and call him and talk to him.
Okay.
Forget about what I said about him.
Okay.
Oh, God. Matthew, make sure you collect the right number.
No problem, ma.
Tell him not to forget to call. Matthew, give him the right number.
I go do am.
You are just lucky today that I'm in a good mood. Bring the number. Take.
Babe, wake up. Careful, don't follow.
Sunshine, you're still awake at this ungodly time? Why are you not asleep?
There's something I would like to discuss with you.
Something like what?
A filmmaker was in the house earlier today. He said they want to use our house to film.
Use my house to film? Why would they want to use my house for a film shoot?
See, you have a fine house and the feel is up to standard. Your mansion is beautiful. We're supposed to be happy that they fancy our house.
This is Sunshine. I don't want trouble, or I don't want problem with these movie people. You know, they are very, very wayward. They are not organized. I don't want anybody to come here and destroy things in my house. I don't want it.
You don't have to worry. I'll be there to monitor everybody, to monitor everything going on. Nothing will be destroyed. I promise you, yes.
You sure?
Yes, I'll take charge.
Well, if you say so, but just make sure you're around so you monitor them. I don't want anybody to destroy any of my properties here.
I promise I'll be around.
Are you
If
sure?
I say yes. Yes, I'll be around. I said I promise.
So go ahead then, no problems. Go ahead, just make sure you monitor them.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, Sunshine.
PM. Come, let me see. Which scene are we taking next?
This is 56.
Scene 56?
Yes, sir.
What about elements?
He's on his way, sir.
We don't have time. Where is the continue to come? Let me see. Come, let me see. So, push it.
Make up, hurry up.
Okay.
Light, what is shooting us now?
No, we are shooting from this direction. Costumier, you have this printed, right?
Yes, sir.
4 elements, right?
Yes, sir.
56. Make up, fast, make up.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Who is the director of this film?
Okay, this the one. You want to sit?
Okay, thank you. I greet you, sir. Thank you.
Madam.
Good morning. Very done.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Please, when is the element coming?
He's going to be here. We are expecting him. Yes. We are waiting for him. Thank you very much. Thank you for accepting.
No, it's fine.
Thank you.
It's fine.
We appreciate. Okay, guys. Let's get set, right? What is holding us now? We don't have time. We need to be ready, yes?
Okay, we are ready.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. Hey. Hey, look at you.
Welcome. Nice working with you again.
We just finished the other job now.
You didn't see me, right?
Oh, sorry.
Welcome.
How are you?
Oh my God! I've been waiting to meet you in the flesh.
Okay.
Yes, I'm your biggest fan. Your number one fan. Okay. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm seeing you. I'm missing you. Oh my goodness. I've watched you.
Okay.
Where's the photographer? Can you take a picture of you? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Can I just take a selfie on my phone? Okay.
Okay, calm down.
Okay. I'm trying so much. Yay! I met him in person! Oh my God! Okay, number one fan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you, yeah? Oh, wow. That's a lot of energy.
Put the light.
What? Oh, yes. Calm down, bro. I just got here.
Just let me hold you.
Who is she, though?
Let me hold why you.
Oh, yeah. Wow. She has too much energy. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Please, I need my footwear.
PM, please get his footwear.
Make up.
Ready, sir. Let me just change.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so what can I change?
You can change inside the restaurant.
No. Don't change in the restroom. Come and change upstairs. There's a room. Very comfortable, not as hot as this place.
Okay.
Yes, upstairs.
Yeah, after you.
Okay.
Sir, please be fast about it.
Can we go now? You are moving, right?
Yes, but he will make use of his trust.
Okay, black, right?
Yeah, the black.
What about the footwear? He has it?
Yes, he has it.
Okay, let's go. PM, set up. Clear the set. Let's go.
Sorry, I thought you were done.
It's fine. It's fine, really.
In case you want to use the restroom, it's right behind you.
Okay. Thank you.
going to do. Huh? Move from up, right? Move from up, yes. So that you will not enter the shot. Okay. Do we have it?
58, can we go?
We don't have much lines here. Do you have the lines? Just reactions. Then few lines. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I think we are good now. Make up be fast now.
That's it.
Okay, let's go now. We are ready.
Ready.
I'm with you.
Yeah.
Alright, camera. Sound.
I do with you.
Alright, scene 58. Take 1. Call it, sir.
And action.
Wow. So you decided to take it further by going to... Don't upset me again.
Trust me.
Are you sure?
And that's all for now. Guy, take it easy.
Make it easy. Why would you cut this scene now?
So yeah, we're going to take the second shot. Get me the closer shot, you understand? Bring from this angle. Here, you understand? The facial reaction.
That might close up.
So get the sound. You understand? Don't be a knockout. So be no noise. Okay, let's go. And action.
So you decided to take this further by going to take off your clothes.
Yeah.
Don't upset me again.
That is it. My man is okay now.
Why would you guys cut this scene?
That is it. It's okay. That's all. So next scene. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
The next scene is still a continuity.
No.
What's
the next scene? 60. Let's go for 60. So everybody's changing.
Okay.
Change them.
Yeah.
Continue to come.
Yes, sir.
Costume.
Yeah.
Be fast. Why are you changing?
He wants to change. Sorry. Come and change upstairs.
Okay.
Yes. Let's go upstairs. This is more comfy.
No, I'll bring
Don't
it.
worry, it's upstairs now. You know you're in now.
So
Let's be fast.
So what's your business? Come down.
Why is she doing like
Star
this?
boy.
I'm the bunker, sit down.
Hey.
Hey, sexy. Do you know you're the Nollywood finest? I've been crushing on you like forever.
Really?
Yes, I've been yearning for your touch.
I like the sound of that. What the hell? I have to go.
Oh, no, please don't.
Everyone is waiting. I really have to go.
Just tell them you're stressed. They should do something else. You want to rest. Something, anything.
We'll do this some other time, okay?
Okay, guys. What's happening? So what's happening? Move the light. Where is the?
I'm on it, sir.
Move it. Shoot that. Try to escape.
Okay, guys. Let's shoot.
Make up. Dab their faces, right?
So, this is my costume, right? Yeah, of course. Where am I sitting?
Here. So you play with this. Squeeze your face. No,
Sorry, dear.
squeeze your face. So here, she's unhappy. You understand?
Yeah.
Wash hands.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, this is why I asked you to go get me something.
Something to.
Oh,
okay. Then when she will go out to do. No, that kind of thing. You move. My God! You move. So, carry this light now. You don't have time. There is okay.
So, you.
Excuse me. What will you do? Start now. That's the My guy, concentrate now.
No.
Okay, can we go? It's okay, come on, can we go? Let's go. Okay, pack your things. Okay. No, make up. No, I'm asking. Okay, be fast about that. So we start from there. So throw your face forward, baby.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Roll.
Camera.
Stand by.
Sound.
Call.
Scene 60.
And action.
I'm listening. What were you saying?
Babe, I need some money. I told you I want to get handout. I need some money for my upkeep.
On Monday, you said you needed money for hair. On Tuesday, you said your phone was bad. Today is Wednesday. You're not asking for handout. Tomorrow, you might tell me you need the latest shoe in town. Like, is this not becoming too much?
No. Where will I get it from if not from you? You know, I don't have help now. I don't have anyone now.
Where can you get it from if not from me?
You know I'm an orphan.
Anyways, I'll think about it. Meanwhile, I need to eat. I'm hungry. That pounder and bitter leaf soup is still remaining.
I'll check.
Please. And I want enough pepper in it.
Okay. I'm coming.
Fair bushmeat.
Are you sure it's still there?
Yes, you should have some.
Okay.
And then guinea fowl.
Babe. Okay, I'll try.
And cut. Thank you guys. So now, what's the next thing?
Alright. Sorry, you just have to wait for PM to bring the welfare woman.
For the rest of the people.
Yes, yes.
Then what? Okay, call the PM. Who is calling the PM? Call the PM. Call the PM. So, the costume, prepare costume for the next scene, yeah?
Next scene.
Okay, he's here.
Yeah, what's the next scene?
Please, what's the next thing? We don't have all day.
Let's do
48.
48.
48.
Am I supposed to change?
For the both of
Okay. Is it supposed to change? Yes. Okay, let's go.
Babe.
Look, I've said this and I'll say it again. I am done, okay? I'm not doing this thing.
Babe, I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
That's what you said the last time.
Cut. At this point, the second line, you stand up. Yeah?
Okay.
Please, I'm sorry. Can we go? Okay. Call it again.
Same scene, pick up shots, take one.
And action.
Babe. Please, I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
That is what you said the last time. Wasn't that what you said? And please don't come and start with this or cry. It won't work. Not this time.
Babe, you know I love you.
I love you too, but you have to go.
I'm sorry.
Stop doing this thing. Stop. Look,
Babe,
you know
sorry.
how it gets when your hand starts going here.
Baby.
Stop
Babe,
now.
no.
I don't like this. You know, because you have my weak points now. You now feel like you can be doing anyhow.
I'm sorry, God.
Okay, that is it. Cut.
Not fair.
And cut. Thank you. That is all for the scene. So, PM.
D. Let's do 57. Continuity of 56. Same costume.
I'm hungry. Please. Can I eat at least?
Did you say you're hungry. Did you say you're hungry?
Yeah.
I made something very special for you.
You did?
Yes, upstairs. Upstairs. Yes, you will like it. I made it myself.
Okay.
Yes, can you get up? Let's go upstairs.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, let's go.
All right, guys.
Stay here.
I need a meal.
Okay, 58. We can do 58.
Let's go.
Okay, 58. Okay, thank you.
You like?
What? I love this. This is amazing. You're such a great cook.
Are you sure? Or you're just trying to patronize me?
What? Come on. This tastes really awesome, honestly.
Anyways, thank you for the compliment.
You're welcome.
Okay, enjoy your meal. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Are you done eating? Nollywood finest. You know, I've been crushing on you like forever. I've been yearning for your touch. I just want to be in your arms.
You see this report here?
Yes, sir.
This one and this other one. You get a flash drive, okay?
Okay.
Then save it there. Then you send this to the line manager. Then put me in copy.
Yes, sir.
Do I do this? What's that?
Nothing, sir. Hey, sexy. You know, you're not just handsome, but you're like 5 men in one.
I could say same about you. You rode me like a horse with a large appetite.
No. I'm shy now.
You were shy, but what you were doing, you were proud of yourself.
I was, but now I'm shy.
Hold this one. Hello, Matthew.
Yeah, okay. I beg your daughter never still come back from school. I beg make you go pick her from school.
Okay. Thank you. I'll be there in a jiffy.
Yeah.
My daughter, not back from school?
Where are you going to, sir?
Excuse me.
These clothes.
Come.
Okay, I'm coming.
So when you sit down, you pretend as if you understand, you want to put him on. To see, you know it's a continuity scene.
Okay, sir.
And to be the PM, what is happening?
Dear, I don't understand. What is holding this guy?
I don't understand.
Nah,
Okay, we're good to go. And why is everyone staring at me like that?
Look at the way you are sweating.
Oh, yeah, the food was really hot and spicy.
You don't need to tell us that, babe. You don't need to tell us that. It's not easy to be an actor. A superstar.
Boy.
Okay. So you guys are not using me to catch crews, yeah?
Can we shoot? Can we shoot? Where is the DOP? Call the DOP now. Let's shoot.
What are we doing?
The next thing, the continuity scene.
Come inside, let's go.
It's the same continuity.
Continuity for you, continuity for you. We have the same continuity.
D, same angle.
Yeah, same angle now.
Okay.
Continuity.
Babe, when did you return?
Mommy, good evening.
Good evening, Angel. Come here.
So, this is what I get. Sunshine, so this is what I get. You were supposed to go and pick my child from the school. Instead, no. You are lying here like a baby. What's wrong with you?
What's your problem? You just got back and you saw your wife sleeping by this time. Instead of you to be a caring husband and find out why she's sleeping, you're here shouting, making me look like the bad person in front of my daughter.
So,
I don't have strength for all this thing now.
I should ask you why you're sleeping? You were sleeping at the expense of my daughter's life. Were you not supposed to go and pick her from school? What kind of nonsense is that? I even thought you were doing something, only to come and say you're sleeping here. Listen, let me tell you. This is the only child I have for now, and I cannot trade her for anything. I'll go to the office. By the time I come back, you explain better.
Mommy, why did you not come to pick me from school?
My angel, you know Mommy will not intentionally not come to pick you. I was not feeling too well. Okay, I'm sorry. Take off your pack. Like this. Okay, I need to take off your uniform so you will freshen up.
Action, come.
Okay.
Where's the food?
Babe, I don't know what happened. The food got burnt.
Which one is you don't know what happened? The food got burnt. How did the food get burnt? Huh?
I think the gas is faulty.
How can the gas being faulty burn the food? I don't understand. Something as simple as make food for me to eat. You can't even do it. But if it's to ask for money for hair, for phone.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'll make you another one.
Hey, you should...
Cut. Can we go? Let's pick up.
Let's pick up.
Guy, element.
Let's pick up.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Okay, so from... So, boom. Let's go. From where? From?
Making me food to eat.
Making me food to eat and action.
Sorry. Sorry.
Pick up and action.
Babe, I'll make you another one.
You should have done that before coming out here.
Okay, let me go back.
Look at the whole place. I was even wondering. I thought it was from the neighbors.
I'm sorry.
You are losing concentration. That is not the next line now.
Sorry.
You should say, get out of my sight. Please, comport.
Sorry.
So on action, get out of my sight.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pick
up and action.
My friend, will you get out from my sight?
Sorry.
Make food for me. You went to burn the food.
And thank you.
Leave me alone.
Sunshine, I need you. I need you, okay?
Stop, no, I'm not in the mood. Stop.
I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood.
Leave me alone, I won't sleep. Oh, stop now! Can't you see I'm sleeping? Leave me alone, I'm not in the mood. Leave me.
I'm in the mood.
Leave me alone, go to your space now. Do you want me to fall off from the bed?
Why are you doing this to me?
I don't know, just leave me to sleep, please.
Sunshine, don't push me. Don't push me.
Oh, leave me alone!
Good morning.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm alright, sir.
You okay?
Where's Mr. Element?
I think he will be here soon, huh?
Oh, okay.
You can wait here.
Alright.
Okay, sure.
They are here. Yes, but he's not here yet. Me come out? Never, no way. Nothing is bringing me out from my house today. No. Come and find who. I will not even try it. Don't mind me. I'm just waiting for him to arrive. Yes. Babe, I'll talk to you later. He just got...
Hey, the superstar. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, how far now?
Welcome.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Look at you.
Your costume.
Okay. Here. How are you?
I'm good. Let's go upstairs.
Upstairs, right? Yes. Okay. Sure.
Please, be fast about that, please.
I don't understand.
B, you say one is right here.
That's not here now. This is our set now. Make up. Fix her face first. Okay, let's go.
No, just give him some time. Let's see.
Where is he?
Which kind of rubbish be this one?
You are Riato. Yeah, no.
Hey!
Hafa, has he come down?
Come down from there. The woman is still screaming on top of her voice.
Hi. How can Mr. Element do such a thing now? Eh? This is a woman. How can you take somebody? Jesus. Can you be sleeping with somebody's wife?
The woman is still strict. She doesn't even have self-control. She's just behaving as if she has never had sex in her life before.
Hey, Oga.
Matthew, what is it?
You get within the apple for house now.
What is it?
Those people wey come do film, they select by your wife. They give am 2.0 for inside house.
What do you mean, Selipa?
Oga, no dey talk like this now. You be small pikin. I tell you say they give your wife minus 2.0. She, Oga, you need to come house, come see something.
I'll be on my way.
Oga, they come now. No be I am on my way coming. You need to dey here. Oga, this English wey you dey speak is too much. It not be on my way. You need to be way now here.
It's okay.
Hope you know he's a married man. And why do you say so?
Because you're shamelessly throwing yourself at him.
I'm just being nice. What is your business? Or are you crushing on him?
I've told you. Stop throwing yourself at him. He's married.
And this should be the first and the last time you're going to talk to me about this. You don't have any right to do so. Don't!
Or what? What will you do?
I don't have your time.
Same here, I don't have your time. Hey.
Hey! Oga, thank God say you don't come. And Oga, they see they celebrate your wife beside them. They give up. They give up. They give up.
Let me call Element.
Hey, he's not picking.
He's not picking his call. Hey, if that man catches Mr. Element, his career is doomed for life. Oh.
This guy.
Hey, Mr. Element.
Do my oga wife this thing. Side they shout like person wey they won't kill him. Maybe they won't kill him.
Damn it! You!
I can explain.
What have I done?
I can explain. I can explain.
What was that? Director. I knew it. I said it.
Is it up for today?
What are you still doing here?
Yes, sir, sorry.
Get out! Sorry, sir. Get out! Let her leave the house. Are you still here? What are you doing? Get out! Get out! Hey! Get out! From Pastor Simon, I come up for house. Get out! Nonsense! If I ever say you here, say you again, this is what I'll do to you. I will decapitate your body, burn your body. Idiot! Nonsense! Nonsense! If I ever set my eyes on you again, I will decapitate your body. I slept myself to feed you, and I don't even know you cheat on me in my house. This is not happening to me. It's not. You're a beast. Yeah.
Hello, Element. I'm okay. Where are you? You are at the hotel. Element, please, we need to see. Very urgent, we need to see. My husband chased me out. As we speak, I'm on the streets now. Just tell me the name of your hotel. We need to see.